Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best catalytic converter cleaners in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best catalytic converter cleaners that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the Startron Enzyme Fuel Treatment Concentrate. This is a concentrated fuel treatment formula that's specially designed for all gas engines and even engines that use ethanol blended fuel. It uses a unique enzyme technology that works to disperse water from the fuel by splitting it into submicron-sized droplets that can be burned away in normal engine operations. It also goes a step further to remove gum and carbon deposits in the fuel. This helps to maintain a clean fuel burn for optimal engine performance. It's designed to stabilize your system for about 2 years on a single treatment no matter the season. 1 fluid ounce can treat up to 16 gallons of gas, so you will get great value for your money. If your engine has been sitting idle for months, this catalytic converter cleaner is the best option that will help to get it back on the road with minimal issues. The product can be used in cars, trucks, motorcycles, snowmobiles, ATVs, and outdoor power equipment. The main drawback of this product lies in its container. The pouring spout is poorly designed and it can get messy when pouring the fluid since some of it may run down on the side. Also, the bottle might leak when it tips over even if the cap is tightly screwed on. Moving on at number 4. We have the Seafoam Motor Treatment. While the popular Seafoam treatment won't clean your catalytic converter, it treats the problems prior to that which cause the converter to get clogged up in the first place. Many individuals have actually had fault codes related to the catalytic converter go away after using. At the very least, you'll give your fuel injectors and combustion chamber a good cleaning. At number 3, we have the Mr. Gasket Industrial Use Cleaner. Mr. Gasket is formulated for industrial use, and it will be the perfect catalytic converter for you if you have a fleet of work vehicles and for trucks. This formulation is effective at cleaning catalytic converters, oxygen sensor and the exhaust system. Also, the catalytic converter cleaner will be effective on diesel, gasoline and hybrid vehicles. When using this product, you will get up to 60% reduction in the emission, and it is also highly effective at dealing with carbon buildups. This product is quite potent and can damage paint, but with a little precaution, there is nothing to worry about. Also, since it is an industrial-grade cleaner, you can expect it to work even for 2-stroke engines, but it does not. However, this is also still not a deal-breaker. At number 2, we have the CRC Most Powerful Detergents. CRC boasts that you'll either pass your emissions test with this cleaner or they'll give you double your money back. Now that's a bold statement, especially coming from a reputable company like CRC. But what truly makes this an amazing catalytic converter cleaner, is the inclusion of some powerful detergent additives that ensure efficient cleanup of your entire fuel system. CRC recommends that you use it every 3,000 miles to keep your vehicle's fuel economy and emission levels healthy. It will work with all kinds of ethanol and gasoline blended fuels. With this top-rated catalytic converter cleaner, you will also get significant reduction in emissions and an increase in overall performance. CRC makes no mention of its suitability for diesel engines, which for some users might be a concern. But, if you use gasoline, this is not an issue for you. And finally at number 1. We have the Marvel Mystery Oil Ultimate Fuel and Motor Treatment. Although this brand has a quirky name, the product it delivers is no laughing stock. Not only is the price an excellent overall value, but it also packs a performance punch. Suitable for all engine types, including hybrids and diesel engines, this product removes up to 99% more catalytic converter deposits than gasoline alone. The formulation is specially made to prevent rust and corrosion from ethanol-containing fuels, which is a great benefit if you regularly use ethanol-containing gasoline. Like its predecessor, this product also features top-end lubrication, which is essential for restoring engine power and fuel economy. It also makes for smoother idling. The long-lasting effect of this fuel and motor treatment also helps to keep fuel stabilized, promoting easy startups. If you have an older car that has trouble with carbon deposits in and around the fuel system and engine, this product has been known to help clear those up, saving you money at the mechanic's garage. It delivers great results at a great price point, which is tough to beat. However, if you're looking for something that focuses more on the catalytic converter and less on the entire fuel system, you might want to look elsewhere. Keep in mind, though, that this product does clean out the converter as well. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.